All right, Toxic Rides, back with another episode. Today we're going to change the carpet. I'm trying to pay somebody to do this, but nobody's coming through, so I guess I'm going to have to do it myself like I did the first time. But let me show you what we got going on. All right, so here's the carpet now. And I got a brand new carpet right here that I ordered from Amazon. This is the second time I'm ordering from them because I did the carpet before it went to the paint shop, but as you can see, this is what it looks like now. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this out and paint it. Install the new carpet. I already took care of the dashboard. I had that painted, and I forgot to do a video on that because, you know, once you get in the mood to do something, I'm not grabbing the camera all the time. But the dash is definitely done. The steering wheel I still got to polish, but I'm gonna do a video on polishing that because I got some polish that's actually incredible. But got the seats out, everything ready, so we're gonna go ahead and rip this out, and we're gonna show you how to install the carpet. All right, now the first thing I gotta do is rip this up. I already got everything taken apart, but if you can see this, you see all of that foam from the last time I glued it on, and you want to make sure that you don't break these. So just go ahead and slide these through, because the last thing you want is to mess up your wires. Slide that through on the bottom. All right, so that's cool. So I'm gonna go to the other side, open up the door, and take care of that. More wires right here. Wires all over the place. And those are all bad wires. Go ahead and rip all this up. I actually did a good job the first time, but because my car was outside for a couple of years, we got to redo it. And just like that, we're gonna go ahead and take the carpet out. All right, now we're gonna open up this box because we need to let it sit out in the sun for a little bit, because there's like a plastic on the bottom. You kind of want that heated up so that it'd be easier to work with when you get ready to lay it down. So we're gonna go ahead and open up that, let it sit out in the sun for a little bit, and then we're gonna get back on it. And here's the carpet out of the box. As you can see, it kind of matched. So we did a good job with picking out the color. But we're just gonna drag this out here. All right, there you go. You can see the color, it matched pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more work on this stuff, get some more of that off. Then it's gonna be time to pretty much glue, but we wanna sit this out here. I'm gonna sit it out here for maybe a couple of hours because I really want that to heat up pretty good. I do have a heat gun, but we're just gonna let the sun do its job today. And then we're gonna throw it in there. So we're gonna go ahead and cut away, and I'll get back to the process. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and scrape this and get as much of this stuff off as possible. I got a razor blade. I might need to go get a scraper. All right, I had to run to the dollar store to get one of these. I got a couple of them. Because what you want to do is get these high spots down so that the carpet will lay on it pretty flush. So if you have any high parts and you can't get all this glue off or this old foam off from the old carpet, just get one of these and scrape down your high spots. And it don't have to be perfect, but you just want as much of the stuff off as possible. And then after you get this done, you are almost ready to lay down the carpet. So I'm sure you get the hint of this. So now we're gonna pretty much get to the install of the carpet. All right, now I don't know about you, but this would absolutely drive me crazy knowing that that's burgundy. So what we're gonna do is get some brake cleaner and spray that on the rag and then wipe this down so I can put some more kill mat on it. Might as well cover it up while it's already out. And we're just gonna wipe that down to clean it up. And then cut the kill mat so we can cover up that little burgundy. And yeah, nobody will ever see it, but it's just gonna irritate me that I didn't do nothing about it when it was already off. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that kill mat, put that on the sides right here. All right, now that all the kill mat is in place on both sides, now it's just a waiting game on letting the carpet heat up. And then my tripod broke, so now I gotta hold all of this by my hand because I'm not gonna order one real quick. But we'll get back to this in a second. All right, now I got everything pretty much balanced. The sides are pretty much the same on each side. So what we want to do is fold it over so we go ahead and start gluing. And this is the glue we're going to use for this. Can y'all see that? There you go. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for this also, along with the carpet in some different colors. So y'all can click on the link and order the carpet and put it in yourself. But let's get started. All right, first thing we're going to do is fold this over because we want to make sure that we glue this. We want to get the right amount of glue on there. We want to make sure all the front is where it needs to be. So we push that down a little bit and get that straightened out. And everything is good there, so we're gonna fold this over now. And we're gonna hit this with the glue. All right, I just sprayed the glue on here to tack this down, but I'm not going all the way to the corners because I still got some stereo wire that I want to put under there and rerun them because I got some new audio equipment. But we're just gonna go ahead and lay that down, and then we're gonna show you what it looked like before the cut. But you can really do this at home, fellas. All right. Now that that's in, the last thing you got to do is put these on each side, but I still have to polish these up. And once you do that, they're going to go out here. So that's when you go ahead and trim your carpet to where it needs to be. But like I said, I got to put some more stereo wire down, so I don't want to go ahead and take care of that right now. So I'm just going to fold that over and wait until I run some new power cables and RCA jacks. And I got speaker wire that has to go on this side over there. But now the carpet is in, looking good. Once the seats go in, it's going to be all right. Go to this side over here. So yeah, it's looking good. So what I'm gonna say is save money, do your carpet yourself, because it's not that expensive to do. It just takes a little time. I would have rather paid somebody $100, maybe $150 to do it, but I had time today. I was off work, so went on and took care of this. Now we got to go ahead and get the seats and stuff together, stereo system together, and I'll do another video on what I'm using to run my stereo, because I think especially people with Cadillacs need to know what'll make your system sound good. And I'm out of breath and I'm tired because I'm old. But next episode, Toxic Rides. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we out.